Tamborine Mountain is home to 10 different types of forest, including subtropical rainforest, wet eucalyptus forest, and open eucalypt forest. At Cedar Creek section, you can find an open eucalypt forest. These forests are the typical forest with gum trees of the Queensland bush. The tallest trees are eucalypts and their relatives, Corymbia, Angophorus, and Carpia, and several tree species may be present at any one site. These forests are usually bright and sun-lit. The forest floor at Cedar Creek is grassy and shrubby. The shrubs are hard-leaved and relatively fire-tolerant. They can be sprout after fire or have hard-coated or hard-capsuled seeds that can survive fire. Many subtropical eucalypt species drop their seeds and fruit only weeks or months after flowering, and fire is generally not needed to trigger the release of seed in subtropical eucalypt species. The seed of most open forest eucalypts does not remain viable in the soil for more than 12 months. Seeds are small and are mainly dispersed by wind and water. The germination and establishment of seedlings tends to be ongoing when there is seed available. This is in contrast to some types of forests where disturbance, the creation of large canopy gaps, or burning to expose mineral earth is needed for seedling establishment. Growth in seedling height may be more rapid when the open forest eucalypt seedling develop on an ash bed, but this is not always the case. This enhanced growth rate may also diminish once the canopy is re-established. These plants are capable of withstanding high temperatures, droughts, browsing, and fires, and may persist for many years. When mature trees are lost from the canopy, these tend to be rapidly replaced by saplings from the understory. Open forest eucalypts tend to be taller and straighter than their woodland counterparts. Their trunks are generally taller than their crowns, while woodland species tend to have more crown than trunk. However, hot fires may slow the growth of trees, particularly from the pull of small saplings into taller saplings. Fires of low to moderate intensity, such as where there is little or no scorch of tree crowns, will have little effect on the growth of open forest eucalypt species. Hot fires are also more likely than fires of low to moderate intensity to kill trees, scorch tree crowns, reduce diameter growth, damage stems, and help damaging insects and fungi enter trunks and stems. Tall, sun-drenched gum trees best with vibrant flowers and brush bogs, ironbarks, bloodwoods, and forest red gums are well suited to an ancient and nutrient-poor soil. The fragrant open eucalypt forest gives way to dry rainforest, where fragile orchids and ferns decorate the forest floor. Fertile soil washed downstream from the mountain top supports patches of dry rainforest growing along Cedar Creek. Trees such as grey myrtle and smooth tuckeroo reach towards the sky and form a canopy, sheltering delicate rainforest plants in the understory.